Hey everyone! Have you ever imagined a place that looks like it came right out of a storybook? Well, get ready to meet the Chocolate Hills. When it's dry outside, these 1,200 hills turn into a beautiful chocolate brown. It looks so amazing, you'll think it's a dream. You can hike, take awesome pictures, or just relax and enjoy the view. It's a natural wonder, super cool and one of a kind. So, get your stuff ready and come see the magic of Bohol's Chocolate Hills. You'll be so glad you did. Isipin ninyo ang isang lugar na parang galing sa kwentong pambata. Narito ang Chocolate Hills. Kapag taginit, ang 1,200 na mga borol na ito ay nagiging kulay tsokolate. Isang kakaibang tanawin na mahirap paniwalang totoo. Perpekto para sa pag-hiking, pagkuha ang litrato, o pagre-relax habang tinatanaw ang ganda ang paligid. Isang likas na yaman na nakakamangha at kakaiba. Kaya ihanda na ang mga gamit at maranasan ang mahikang Chocolate Hills ang Bohol. Hindi kayo magsisisi.